In this video, I'll break down my top 5 stand mixers, my experiences, and which stand mixers I found to be the best. I'll go in descending order, starting with the 5th ranked stand mixer, and at the end of the video you'll find out which one, in my opinion, is the best stand mixer and ranked at number 1. If you're wanting to check prices of each stand mixer, check out the links in the description as I've linked to each of the products mentioned. At number 5, we have the Instant Pot 6-Speed Stand Mixer. The Instant Pot 6-Speed Stand Mixer is a powerful and versatile kitchen appliance that is designed to make your baking experience a breeze. This mixer is equipped with a 400-watt motor that can handle a variety of mixing jobs, from whipping the smoothest meringue to kneading the doughiest of cookies. The mixer features a 6-speed control that allows you to easily adjust the speed according to your recipe's requirements. Whether you're making a delicate cake batter or kneading a thick bread dough, this mixer can handle it all. The lightweight design of the Instant Stand Mixer makes it easy to move and store without sacrificing power or capability. The 6.3-quart stainless steel bowl comes with a convenient handle, allowing you to easily pour and transfer your mixture without any mess. The bowl is also dishwasher safe, making cleanup a breeze. The mixer comes complete with a whisk, dough hook, mixing paddle, and splash guard, providing you with all the tools you need for a variety of baking tasks. One of the standout features of this mixer is its planetary mixing action, which ensures even mixing all the way to the edge of the bowl. The mixer also features non-slip feet for stable operation and a tilt head that allows you to conveniently remove the bowl or add ingredients. Despite its many advantages, the Instant Pot 6-Speed Stand Mixer is not without its drawbacks. Some users have noted that the paddle attachment doesn't scrape the sides of the bowl effectively, which can lead to uneven mixing. Additionally, the mixer makes a beeping noise when it's in use, which some users may find annoying. At number 4, we have the Hamilton Beach 63393. The Hamilton Beach 63393 Stand Mixer is a versatile kitchen appliance designed to cater to a variety of mixing needs. It comes equipped with a 4-quart stainless steel bowl that features handles for easy maneuvering. The bowl is large enough to handle most home baking needs, and its stainless steel construction ensures durability and ease of cleaning. One of the standout features of this mixer is its planetary mixing action, which ensures complete bowl coverage and eliminates the need to scrape the sides manually. This is a significant advantage over traditional 2-beater stand mixers, as it provides more thorough mixing and better results. The mixer boasts a powerful 300-watt motor, which is robust enough to mix thick batters and doughs, such as bread, cookies, and more. The Hamilton Beach 63393 comes with 3 attachments: a flat beater, a dough hook, and a whisk, all of which are dishwasher safe. The flat beater and dough hook have a non-stick coating, which is a thoughtful touch that makes cleanup even easier. Additionally, the mixer includes a splatter shield to prevent messy drips, drops, and spills during operation. With 7 speeds to choose from, users have precise control over the mixing process, from a slow stir to a fast mix. The tilt-up head design is convenient for adding ingredients and swapping out attachments quickly. On the downside, some users have reported that the mixer may struggle with very heavy doughs, or when adding mix-ins like chocolate chips. This could be due to the mixer's size and motor power, which, while sufficient for most tasks, may not compare to higher-end, professional-grade mixers. The mixer's design includes suction cups on the bottom to keep it stationary on non-porous surfaces, which is a practical feature that adds stability during use. The aesthetic appeal of the mixer is also notable, with a sleek design that comes in a pleasant blue color, making it a stylish addition to any kitchen countertop. At number 3, we have the KitchenAid Classic Series K45SS. The KitchenAid Classic Series K45SS is a durable tilt-head stand mixer designed to last. It is priced at around $330, making it a mid-range option for those seeking a reliable kitchen appliance. The mixer has a 4.5-quart capacity, which is suitable for small to large batches, making it versatile for various cooking and baking needs. The mixer is powered by a motor that offers 10 speeds, allowing it to gently knead, thoroughly mix, and whip ingredients for a wide variety of recipes. This range of speeds provides flexibility and control over the mixing process, catering to nearly any task or recipe. In terms of design, the mixer is sleek and comes in a variety of colors, allowing it to fit into any kitchen decor. It also includes a stainless steel bowl, a coated flat beater, a coated dough hook, and a 6-wire whip, providing all the necessary tools for a variety of culinary tasks. One of the main advantages of the KitchenAid Classic Series K45SS is its durability and built-to-last design. It also offers great mixing results with 59 touch points around the mixer bowl. The mixer's versatility is another strong point, with over 10 optional hub-powered attachments available, from food grinders to pasta makers, expanding its functionality beyond just mixing. However, there are a few potential downsides to consider. The mixer might be a bit pricey for some budgets, and the 4.5 quart capacity, while sufficient for most tasks, might not be enough for those who frequently prepare large batches of food. Additionally, the optional attachments are sold separately, which could add to the overall cost if you want to fully utilize the mixer's capabilities. At number 2, we have the Cuisinart SM-50. The Cuisinart SM-50 is a stand mixer that delivers power, precision, and performance. It features a 500-watt motor, die-cast metal construction, and 12 speeds that allow for nuance and excellence in performing a variety of preparation tasks. The unit's tilt-back head allows for easy access to its 5.5 quart mixing bowl, and the included splash guard prevents messy countertops. The mixer comes with a chef's whisk, dough hook, and flat mixing paddle, all of which are dishwasher safe. In terms of design, the Cuisinart SM-50 is available in 3 colors: brushed chrome, red, and white. It has a built-in cord storage feature, which is a nice touch. The mixer is also praised for its fit and finish, and it has the capability to attach other devices. When it comes to performance, the Cuisinart SM-50 does a particularly good job of large volume bakes and recipes. It has a powerful motor that works through bread dough better than many more expensive machines. However, it struggles to incorporate cake batter fully. Ease of use is another strong point for the Cuisinart SM-50. The appliance doesn't shake when in use and is super easy to clean. The attachments come on and off with ease, and everything stores in the large stainless steel bowl. Many settings allow you to customize the level of power, and kneading bread is a breeze with the dough hook. In terms of durability, the Cuisinart SM-50 is sturdy and well built. The attachments are robust and mix well. However, sometimes the sides of the bowl are not picked up, which may require manual scraping. At number 1, we have the KitchenAid Artisan Series KSM-150 PS. The KitchenAid Artisan Series KSM-150 PS is a versatile and durable kitchen appliance that offers a blend of performance, design, and durability. It features a 5-quart stainless steel bowl, a coated flat beater, a coated dough hook, a 6-wire whip, and a pouring shield. The mixer is designed with a tilt head, providing better access to the bowl and making it easier to add ingredients or attach accessories. In terms of performance, the mixer is equipped with a powerful 325-watt motor and offers 10 speeds to gently knead, thoroughly mix, and whip ingredients for a wide variety of recipes. It is praised for its ability to handle a range of tasks, from whipping cream to kneading dense pasta dough, making it a valuable tool for home cooks. The design of the KitchenAid Artisan Series KSM-150 PS is not overly large, making it a good fit for most kitchen counters. It comes in over 20 colors, allowing users to choose one that best matches their kitchen decor. The mixer also offers more than 10 optional hub-powered attachments, such as food grinders and pasta makers, enhancing its versatility and usefulness in the kitchen. So that sums up my top 5 stand mixers I hope you enjoyed. You can check out other top 5 videos on my channel by clicking below.